In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Affirm Debit Card. If you're looking for a simple way to pay now or split eligible purchases over time, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to set up your card and use it with confidence in stores and online. We'll start in the Affirm app, open the app and activate your debit card by linking your US bank account. This secure link lets Affirm move money to cover your purchases and any scheduled payments. Just follow the on-screen prompts to connect your bank, confirm the details, and finish activation. A quick tip, make sure your personal information matches what your bank has on file to avoid verification hiccups, and wait for the confirmation that your card is ready before you try to use it. Once your card is activated, you can use it anywhere Visa is accepted. That includes most major retailers, local shops, and online checkouts that display the Visa logo. Treat it like a standard debit card at checkout, no special process required. You can pay by tapping, swiping, or using Apple Pay or Google Pay. For contactless tap, hold the card near the reader until you see the confirmation. If a terminal doesn't support tap, a quick swipe or chip insert will do. Prefer your phone or smartwatch? Add the card to your mobile wallet and pay with Apple Pay or Google Pay just as you would with any other card. Before you shop, you can pre-select a payment plan inside the app for better control. This helps you know your budget up front and see the available plan options for eligible purchases, including the number of payments and any costs shown. Choose the plan that fits your timeline, then use your Affirm debit card at checkout. The app will guide how that plan applies when your transaction posts. If it's an eligible purchase, you can also choose a payment plan within 24 hours after buying. Open the app, find the recent transaction, and select a plan if one is offered. If no plan appears or the 24-hour window passes, the purchase will remain as a standard debit charge paid in full. You'll still be able to track the transaction in the app. And that's it. You're ready to use your Affirm debit card for flexible payments anywhere Visa is accepted. Keep an eye on notifications, review your upcoming payments in the app, and you'll stay in control every step of the way.